So we got all the snaps and the corners on the header bar. We're going to fold that back, but do not latch it. So we're just going to fold it back like that, because some of our next steps are going to be inside here. And one of the first things we got to do is make sure that the snaps are in front, just like that. Then we've got our snaps in here. Here they are. Here they are. These are going to go in the tension bar. So we'll unsnap those. They're going to go on this tension bar right here. So again, following the directions. First thing we do is get our snaps ready to go on the inside. We can see them from in here. So the next thing is to thread and snap our tension straps here. Let's go right there. So we're going to do those two. Then after that, the next step will be to snap our header bar.